Possible Finance doesn't always have a traditional cancel subscription button because you're not dealing with a subscription service. You're dealing with an active loan account that has to be closed through repayment. By the end, you'll know exactly how to close your account, what to do before stopping access, and how to avoid getting stuck with remaining charges. Start with the main point. You can't fully cancel Possible Finance if you still have an active loan balance. That means the first step is always clearing any remaining repayment amount tied to your account. Now go into the actual process. Open the Possible Finance app and go to your active loan section. This is where your repayment schedule and remaining balance are shown. From there, check your final payoff amount. This matters because partial repayment does not close the account. Once you see the full amount, complete the payment using the APS payment method. After payment clears, the account moves into a closed or paid status depending on timing and processing. Now explain what users usually miss. A lot of people think deleting the app cancels everything. It doesn't. The loan agreement still exists even if the app is removed from your phone. Now, cover what happens after payoff. Once your balance is fully paid, you can remove your linked bank account inside the app settings for extra security. Then you can uninstall the app if you don't plan to use it again. Now, talk about credit and records. If your repayment activity was reported, closing the account does not remove that history. It stays on your credit record based on standard reporting rules. Now add the important caution step. Before closing everything, make sure there are no pending payments, failed transfers or scheduled withdrawals still processing in your account. That prevents unexpected recharges after you think everything is finished. Now give the simple breakdown. To cancel Possible Finance, you first repay the full loan, then confirm the account is closed, then remove banking access if needed. There is no instant cancellation button while a balance is active. Quick recap. You cannot cancel with an unpaid loan, repayment closes the account, and deleting the app alone does nothing. Next step is simple. Open your account, check your exact payoff amount, and complete repayment before removing anything from your phone or bank settings. Like and subscribe for clear breakdowns of financial apps, without confusion or hidden steps.